Welcome back to the ArcMate channel. Today we are going to go over the Easy Reacher Pro Plus Collapsible. This tool has so many great features, including a rotating handle, safety lock, and the ability to collapse the reacher for easy storage. First, in order to rotate the handle of your reacher, grasp the top of the reacher handle with one hand and grasp the shaft of the reacher with the other. Pull your hands apart to detach the joint, and twist the handle clockwise or counterclockwise. Push your hands back together, and make sure you hear the handle lock back into place, otherwise your reacher may not work properly. Now the handle is facing a different direction, so you can adjust your tool depending on your needs. Next, we will go over how to collapse your reacher. The blue slip joint in the middle of the tool is what keeps it locked together. First, grasp the blue slip joint with one hand and grasp the lower part of the tool with the other. Pull the slip joint toward the handle of the reacher until it stops, and now your tool can collapse for easy storage. Please note that the tool cannot be used while collapsed. To put the tool back together, simply line up the two shafts and slide the slip joint toward the cups of the tool. Lastly, we will go over the safety lock mechanism. Once you grasp an item with your tool, you can push down the small lock located on the handle of the reacher to lock your cups into place. To unlock the tool, simply squeeze the trigger, which will release the lock. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.